with autonomous drone swarms and hypersonic missiles redefining modern warfare, is the world's current air defense infrastructure already obsolete? The answer lies in a massive supply chain pivot happening right now, driven by artificial intelligence and advanced propellants. Major defense primes are rewriting the rules of engagement and production. The stakes have never been higher, and the capital influx reflects a paradigm shift. According to Next Move Strategy Consulting Analysis, the air defense system market is predicted to reach an astounding $62.23 billion by 2030. This represents a steady compound annual growth rate of 5.2% from 2024 to 2030. While North America commands roughly 34% of the global market share, the underlying technology is undergoing a radical transformation.
The Iron Beam will now join the Iron Dome, David Sling, and Arrow in intercepting aerial threats. But what makes the Iron Beam exceptional? ILTV's Deborah Klein breaks it down.
This is the Iron Beam, Israel's latest development of air defense. Co-developed by Elbit Systems and Rafael, the Iron Beam is a laser-based system built to destroy incoming missiles, rockets, mortars, UAVs, and aircrafts, so any aerial threat can be intercepted by the Iron Beam.
To meet this urgent demand, top industry leaders are making unprecedented moves. On February 4, 2026, RTX signed 5 landmark framework agreements with the U.S. Department of Defense. They are ramping up annual output to over 1,000 Tomahawks, 1,900 AMRAAMs, 500 SM-6S. A major historical bottleneck, solid rocket motors, is being solved through RTX's partnership with Northrop Grumman. Their highly loaded grain technology extends interceptor range without increasing the physical footprint of the missile. Meanwhile, Lockheed Martin successfully flight-tested Project Overwatch on the F-35. This AI-enhanced system updates combat identification on the fly, shifting defense upgrades from hardware to continuous software pipelines. And to solve European operational bottlenecks, NATO just awarded Airbus, Lockheed, and Raytheon a concept study for modular ground-based air defense. Innovation is global, but the Asia-Pacific region is the new powerhouse for growth. APAC is projected to grow at a massive CAGR of over 6.4% through the mid-2030s. Why? Rapid military modernization in China, India, Japan, and South Korea is driving massive interceptor procurement. Countries like India are aggressively pushing for localized supply chains to reduce import reliance. India is currently rolling out Project Akash Teer, a highly automated indigenous air defense control system. Furthermore, 2025 and 2026 U.S.-India defense frameworks are accelerating co-production agreements for missiles and counter-UAS tech. This makes APAC a prime target for lucrative B2B joint ventures. For B2B investors and supply chain decision-makers, the signal is clear. The future belongs to agile software integration, advanced propellants, and localized APAC co-development. Those who adapt will capture the lion's share of this $62 billion market. Gain a deeper edge. Read the full report at Next Move Strategy Consulting. Link in description. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more market intelligence videos.